Hey, it's Ian Luckett here, and I just want to ask you a question. When was the last time you took 5 pages of notes from a 1-hour webinar? Now look, webinars are all over the place at the moment. It's a way people get to escape what's going on, but I really don't like the word webinar. I like the word online training, because at IT Experts, the one thing we do when we do an online session is we train with value-based content. Lockdown is time for learning. It's time for understanding what our clients need, it's understanding what our new prospects need, and to emerge ahead of our competition. Now look, one of our company values here is always about consistently improving and doing the way that we do. So the last bit of feedback we had was someone took 5 pages of notes. At the next online session, which is tomorrow, I want someone to take 6 or even 10 pages of notes. And tomorrow we're holding the IT Experts Lead Generator online training session. It's a value-based system. We're going to teach you in 1 hour how to generate more leads in your IT and tech business. Use all of this time in lockdown wisely so you can emerge ahead of your competition. So if you want to learn more how to instantly increase the leads in your IT and your tech business, click on the link below. I'll see you on the day and you are going to absolutely love it. I'm putting the content together right now and it is going to be awesome. So have a great day. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Take care now.